234 Media Bio. Subscribe, like, share, that's it.
Let's study about radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution is the pollution caused due to the release of radioactive substances or radioactive waste into the environment. So radioactive pollution is caused due to the nuclear waste generated by nuclear plants. This waste is dumped into the water body, land, and atmosphere, which causes the radioactive pollution, or nuclear pollution. And nuclear waste is extremely harmful. Nuclear waste contains a lot of harmful chemicals, which are highly injurious to human health. Moreover, the radiation emitted by nuclear waste can cause cancer in human beings, eventually killing them. So what are the sources of radioactive pollution? First of all, nuclear plant. The smoke from nuclear plant is rich in toxic chemicals, which are harmful for both animals and plants. Next, nuclear accident. The nuclear accidents may include sudden discharge of toxic gases, leakage of toxic liquids into the land and water body, and emission of radiation into the biosphere. Radioisotopes. Radioisotopes such as uranium is used in industries for detection purposes. The radiations emitted by these radioisotopes is highly dangerous and long-lasting. Laboratory tests. Scientists conduct a lot of tests using radioisotopes to solve various challenges we face in life, which eventually leads to pollution. Nuclear testing, according to a study presented to the United Nations General Assembly in 2000, is the primary source of human exposure to radiation created by man. Unbelievable. Nuclear wars. Atomic and nuclear wars created by mankind is for a short duration, but creates a long-lasting adverse effect on common people's health. Now, what are the effects of radioactive pollution? First of all, effect on whole biosphere. Nuclear radiations produce its effect not only on human beings, but also on trees, birds, and other animals. Trees shed their leaves earlier than usual, and other animals die early. Well, this is brutal. Next, genetic mutations. When it comes to genetics, radiation has negative consequences. It damages DNA strands, causing genetic disintegration over time. The degree of genetic mutation leading to changes in DNA composition varies depending on the amount and kind of radiation one has been exposed to. Cancer. Cancer comes on top of the list when it comes to the diseases caused due to radioactive pollution. Other diseases include respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Air pollution. The toxic gases and radiations from nuclear plants pollutes the air. This not only affects human beings, but also the birds. Soil infertility. Radiation pollution harms the soil a lot, eventually making it infertile and unfit for agriculture. Hamper of aquatic life. The aquatic life is highly hampered due to nuclear waste disposal in the water bodies. Now, what are the solutions to radioactive pollution? Proper waste disposal. Nuclear waste can't be treated as other kinds of wastes. They either have to be buried deep in the ground, or tightly packed in thick containers, so that none of the radiation comes out. Proper labeling of different nuclear waste containers is also necessary. Banning nuclear warfare. Nuclear warfare should be banned completely, because it not only affects the people involved in the war, but also the common people who are the victims of the pollution. Moreover, the nuclear power is extremely destructive. That's why the common people suffer along with the soldiers involved in the war. Alternative energy source. Nuclear waste can be used as an energy source. Nuclear waste creates a lot of heat, and this can be used to drive turbines in a generator, to create electric power. And the heat provided by it is long-lasting, and doesn't pollute the environment much. Wow, that's good. Finally, because nuclear waste is recyclable, it should be recycled to use it again. So that was the end of the video. How was it? Let me know down in the comment section. I'll again meet you in the next video. Now give this video a like. And subscribe to 1234 Media Bio to gain more knowledge.